How to add contact information on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app and you can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom you can see different options like home, friends, plus option, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile option and this type of screen will appear. At the right top corner there are three lines. Just click on the three lines and click here settings and the privacy. Whenever you click on the settings and privacy, this type of information, account information will appear. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Click on the account here and you can see there is an option of the account information. At the bottom you can see contact information. Click on it and you can add it or add contact information by writing the first name, last name, email address, phone number and street address, apartment address, country, province, city and the zip code. In this way you can uh, add your account information or edit in account information on the TikTok. That will be safe for autofill purpose. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.